Your Series L desk is here. Let's get you set up and working happy. First, unpack your boxes. Hold on to the paper instructions. We'll refer to them as we go. Keep your tools handy. You'll need the included Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Clear a space larger than the desk's top. Lay the top upside down on a blanket to protect it while you assemble. Attach a G1 leg frame to one of the legs using 4 V-screws. Orient the leg frame properly. Flip the leg over and slide the F bracket onto the leg frame. Attach 2 W screws. Flip the leg over again. It should balance on its own now. Attach the foot to the leg using 4 X screws. You've assembled your first leg. Repeat these steps on the opposite leg using the G2 leg bracket. Once both legs are assembled and still upside down, connect them to one another by slotting the spanning rails between the leg frames. Use the arrows on the spanning rails to guide you. They should face out and point at the floor. Transfer the entire leg frame structure to the desktop. Beginning at one end, align the bracket holes and leg frame holes with the pre-drilled holes on the desktop. Install 6 Y screws per leg. Skip the spanning rails for now. After the first leg is screwed in, push the other leg into alignment and loosely screw in 6 more Y screws. Shift the spanning rails so that the arrows are centered on the table. Use V-screws to tighten them into place. Slot the control box into the G1 leg frame. Find and complete the cable connections between the legs and the control box. Use cable I to complete the connection to the distant leg. Using the pre-drilled holes as a guide, attach the control handset with 2 Z screws. Be sure to position it on the left or right side, depending on your preference. Plug the handset into the control box port labeled HS. Plug the J power cable into the control box. Gently turn the table upright and plug it into your nearest outlet or power strip. Let's reset the desk to prepare it for your first use. Make sure no objects are below your desk. Press and hold the down arrow key until the desk reaches its lowest point, about 24.5 inches. Press and hold the down arrow key again for 5 to 10 seconds. Release when the LED display reads RST. Reset. Press and hold the down arrow key one last time. The desk will lower and rise slightly. Release the key. Congrats! Your desk is now ready to go.